Which of the following is untrue regarding the programs for analysis of nucleic acid sequences? A. PROTPARS treats gaps as a fifth nucleotide state. B. PNP performs parsimonious phylogenesis by branch and bound search. C. PNP can analyze sequences up to 11 or 12. D. Compatibility criterion is not involved in DNACM. The correct answer is compatibility criterion is not involved in DNACM. Which of the following is untrue regarding the distance analysis programs in PHYLIP? A. Fitch estimates a phylogenetic tree assuming additivity of branch lengths. B. Fitch uses the Fitch-Margoliouth method. C. Fitch assumes a molecular clock but Fitch does not. D. Neighbor estimates phylogenesis using the neighbor joining or unweighted pair group method with arithmetic mean optima. The correct answer is Fitch assumes a molecular clock but Fitch does not. Which of the following is untrue regarding the neighbor joining method? A. It is very much like the Fitch-Margoliouth method. B. It is totally dissimilar than the Fitch-Margoliouth method. C. It is especially suitable when the rate of evolution of the separate lineages under consideration varies. D. When the branch lengths of trees of known topology are allowed to vary in a manner that simulates varying levels of evolutionary change, it is the most reliable method. The correct answer is it is totally dissimilar than the Fitch-Margoliouth method. Parsimony can give information when rates of sequence change in the different branches of a tree that are represented by the sequence data. A. Misleading vary. B. Useful change. C. Misleading are constant. D. Sometimes contradicting are constant. The correct answer is misleading vary. Which of the following is untrue regarding the distance methods? A. The sequence pairs that have the largest number of sequence changes between them are termed neighbors. B. On a tree these sequences share a node or common ancestor position and are each joined to that node by a branch. C. It produces a phylogenetic tree of the group. D. It employs the number of changes between each pair in a group of sequences. The correct answer is the sequence pairs that have the largest number of sequence changes between them are termed neighbors. Which of the following is untrue regarding the maximum parsimony method? A. This method predicts the evolutionary tree. B. It minimizes the number of steps required to generate the observed variation in the sequences. C. The method is also sometimes referred to as the minimum evolution method. D. Only a pairwise sequence alignment is required to predict which sequence positions are likely to correspond. The correct answer is only a pairwise sequence alignment is required to predict which sequence positions are likely to correspond. Neighbor joining chooses the sequences that should be joined to give the best least squares estimates of the branch lengths that most closely reflect the actual distances between the sequences. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. PROTPARS counts the minimum number of mutations to change a codon for the first amino acid into a codon for the second amino acid but only scores those mutations in the mutational path that actually change the amino acid. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.